Hello students, your half-yearly syllabus includes the fourth chapter, that is rational numbers. So we'll start rational numbers, chapter number 4 here. I have divided this chapter into sub-parts, first part, second part, third part and so on, right? So this chapter, the explanation of this chapter will be in several parts. I will upload all the video of different parts, right? And share it with you. So we will start rational numbers with the definition first of all. Before the explanation of rational numbers or defining the rational numbers, you must be clear with this natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and fractions, and then we will discuss the rational numbers. First of all, natural numbers, you all know very well. You have already studied this one in class 5 as well and in class 6 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. These are all the natural numbers. If you include 0 here, then what they will become? They will become the whole numbers. And then the integers. Integers include both the negative numbers as well as the positive numbers along with 0. So here minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These are the integers. In class 6 you have already studied the integers, right? And then the fractions. Different types of fractions are there. You have already studied in class 6 as well. See, mixed fractions, proper fraction, improper fraction and several other types also here. So the fractions are, suppose 3 upon 4, 4 upon 3, minus 8 by 5, minus 1 by 2. Okay, then rational numbers. Now these are the fractions, and rational numbers are those numbers which are in the form of P upon Q, which are in the form of P upon Q, while as Q is not equal to 0. Q is not equal to 0. This is the compulsion in case of rational numbers. If you remove this thing, so rational numbers will become fractions, exactly as it is. This is the fraction. Is it a rational number? Yes, it is in the form of P upon Q. See, upon के फॉर्म में है या नहीं है? एक न्यूमरेटर होना चाहिए, एक डिनोमिनेटर होना चाहिए. डिनोमिनेटर मस्ट नॉट बी 0. डिनोमिनेटर 0 कभी नहीं हो सकता. अगर डिनोमिनेटर 0 हुआ तो वो फ्रैक्शन तो हो सकता है, but it can never be a rational number, right? Okay, so all the natural numbers are rational numbers. All the natural numbers are the rational numbers. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these are natural numbers? Yes. So, how can we say that these are the rational numbers? See, upon में 1 हमेशा understood होता है. Upon 1, upon 1, upon 1, upon 1, upon 1. Now, are they rational numbers? Yes, they are rational numbers. So, in all the natural numbers, upon में 1 is understood. That means to say they are the rational numbers. That is why we are saying that all the natural numbers are the rational numbers. See, upon Q should not be 0. Q मतलब यहाँ में है, Q कहाँ पर है? Denominator place. So, denominator should not be 0. बस सिर्फ इतना ही ध्यान रखना है आपको कि denominator 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे देखिए, क्या denominator 0 है? नहीं. That means they are rational numbers. अगर डिनोमिनेटर रैशनल नंबर हुआ तो फिर वो रैशनल, डिनोमिनेटर अगर 0 है तो फिर वो रैशनल नंबर नहीं होगा. सिर्फ डिनोमिनेटर का ध्यान रखना है. ओके, एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज ऑल द होल नंबर्स आर रैशनल नंबर्स. सी 1, 2, 3, 4, इसका एग्जांपल मैं ऑलरेडी दे चुका हूं. 0, इज 0 अ रैशनल नंबर? द आंसर इज yes, 0 is a rational number. Why we are saying that 0 is a rational number? Because see, upon में 1 तो इसके नीचे भी लिख सकते हैं. Denominator 1 है, denominator तो 0 नहीं है ना. Yes, this is a rational number. हाँ, अगर इसको उल्टा करें, now Q शुड नॉट बी जीरो, मतलब डिनोमिनेटर जीरो नहीं होना चाहिए। यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर क्या है? जीरो, मतलब ये रैशनल नंबर नहीं। गॉट इट? ओके, सी द नेक्स्ट वन। सपोज 4/3 is it a rational number? Yes, it is a rational number because it is in the form of p/q and denominator is not zero. It is a rational number. Now 4/0, is this a rational number? No, this is not a rational number. Why this is not a rational number? Because the denominator is zero. सिर्फ डिनोमिनेटर का ध्यान रखना है, डिनोमिनेटर मस्ट नॉट बी जीरो। Okay, then move to the next one. That is the positive and the negative rational numbers. The positive rational numbers, positive and the negative rational numbers. अच्छा, positive rational numbers 4/3, negative rational number suppose -3/8. It can be proper, it can be improper. -3/8 या -8/5, right? And here also 4/3, right? Improper fraction, it can be proper also. Suppose 3/8. These are the positive rational numbers, these are the negative rational numbers. Now the next one is the standard form of the rational numbers. Before explaining this thing, sometimes a question arises here. Sometimes a question appears in the exam also, that convert the negative rational number into the positive rational number. Now how to convert a negative rational number into a positive one? Now see, I am writing down here some examples. -3/5, right? -8/11, or suppose I have written two negative rational numbers. You have to convert these negative rational numbers into positive. Whatever the answer is, you have to convert this one into positive. So what you have to do? You just have to multiply by -1. अच्छा, multiply by 1, it means nothing. Minus into minus, it will become plus. Answer will be plus 3/5. Minus into minus, plus 8/11. This will remain same because multiply by 1, it means nothing. So 3/5 and 8/11, minus 8/11, and this one is positive 8/11. So negative को positive में कैसे convert करोगे? Always multiply by -11. Sorry, -1. Okay. The next one is the standard form of the rational number. Standard form, always the rational number must be in the standard form. अब पहले तो standard form होता क्या है? Now see, I am writing down here two rational numbers, right? One is in the standard form and one is in the reducible form, right? Standard form, and the next one is reducible form. Standard form 4/3. This is the standard form. 30/52, right? So why I am saying this as the reducible form? Because see, the numerator and denominator both can be cancelled out by using the same table. See here, 30 and 52, they can be cut by using the same table of 2. So here 2, 52, it is 26, it is 15. So this will become 15/26. Now 15 and 26, can they be cut further? Can they be cancelled out by using the same table? Answer is no. कोई भी सेम टेबल इन दोनों को नहीं लगता है। 15 को 5 और 3 का टेबल लगेगा, 26 को 2 और 13 का टेबल लगेगा। दैट मींस कोई भी सेम टेबल नहीं लग रहा है। यस, दिस इज नाउ द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म। अब आप 15/26 यहाँ पे लिख सकते हो। 15/26 इज द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म, राइट? This thing you have already done in class 6th in your previous class in fractions chapter. ये फ्रैक्शन चैप्टर में ऑलरेडी आप कर चुके हो, राइट? न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को कट करके उसको रिड्यूस करना होता है। ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज द इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस. the equivalent fractions. How to find out the equivalent fractions? There are two methods. I have written as an example, I am writing here the question 3 by 8. You have to find out 3 equivalent rational numbers. 3 equivalent, not the fraction, sorry, the rational numbers. Three upon 8. So first of all, this is the question. 3 upon 8. You have to multiply it by 2 upon 2. Here 3 upon 3. Here 4 upon 4, and so on. You have to multiply and divide with the same method, right? So you, in this way, you will get the equivalent rational numbers. So 3 2s are 6, 8 2s are 16, 3 3s are 9, 8 3s are 24, 4 3s are 12, 8 4s are 32. So now you can write down in this way: 6 upon 16 is equal to 9 upon 24, 12 upon 32. These are the 3 equivalent rational numbers. These are 3 equivalent rational numbers of 3 upon 8. 3 upon 8 is the standard form. और ये बाकी 3 उसके equivalent rational numbers हैं. और ये हमेशा is equal to में लिखे जाते हैं. See, is equal to sign is there in between all of these, because all these are equal. These are called equivalent rational numbers. There is another way, another method to find out this one also. 3 by 8, just write down 3 by 8. Right? Now, write down the table of 3 here and table of 8 right here, and directly you will get the answer. See this one. 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 8, 8 1s are 8, itself it is here, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32. See, 6 upon 16, 9 upon 24, 12 upon 32, they are same. Just आपको टेबल देखना है and you will get the equivalent rational numbers of it. फिर आपको जितने भी फाइंड आउट करने हैं, you can do this thing. These were the equivalent rational numbers. And now we'll move to the exercise.